Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Today we're out in Richardson, Texas. We're doing a full Control4 system with 4 zones of distributed audio. We're doing remote TVs as well as a theater room and or a little den with a small surround sound system, I should say. We're doing full Arachnus networking, like I said, Control4 system. We're going to show you that process along the way. We've worked with the contractor and the homeowner along the process. Their full renovation here. So it is important to get us involved at the very beginning so we can plan with everything, because we've got some things pre-wired and prepared for everything we're going to be doing. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you a little bit of what we got going on. All right, so we've got, as you can see, let me zoom out here. We've got surround speakers pre-wired here that we worked with here. Charles is here helping me out unboxing everything right now. We've got Sony, this is the new 800H, the 75-inch going here. And again, we worked with the contractor to prepare for everything. So we got speakers. You can see we've got the RP240Ds on stands here from Klipsch. These are going to fit perfectly in these spots. We've measured them perfectly for these speakers. We're going to have 3 RP240Ds. These are LCRs. We're going to have the left, center, and right. We've got electric and everything here. In this room here, we're going to go around. We've got everything wired to come in here. In the laundry room, we're going to have a full 27U rack here, in the pantry. Up here, we've got pre-wired and cut here for the DS 160 CDTs from Klipsch, the 6.5-inch designer series speakers. This kitchen was fully renovated, and here had been facelifted. They've got old speakers here. You can see they're yellowed. We're going to be replacing them with the DS 180 CDTs in here with the seamless magnetic grills, so it gives a nice new updated look with their room here. We're going to have a new TV mounted up here, and we've actually got everything wired for the TV. It's all going to be going to the rack in the pantry. We've got audio over cat adapters here, so we're going to send the audio from the TV. There's going to be a Roku in here, and we're going to be able to control it with a Control4 SR260 remote. Everything's going to be going back to the rack, so they get the TV audio out of these speakers, or they can get music out of these speakers. We've got a full rack here that we've pre-built in our shop ahead of time. So we've got the Arachnus pieces, we've got the Control4 EA3 here, Roku, everything's ready to have everything set up with the customer modem and everything else here. Denon AVR X1600H and the Control4 4-zone distributed audio amp, UPS, and everything else. We're going to be doing 3 access points in this home as well. And then back over here in the study, we're going to have again, got pre-wired here. We're going to have another set of designer 6.5-inch speakers, the DS 160 CDTs. All right, guys, so we're in the study right now installing the DS 160 CDT Klipsch. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see it. So the speaker actually has the ability to pivot the woofer here, and the tweeter also can pivot. So what I'm going to do, as you can see down here, the desk is going to be centered in the room. So I'm actually going to pivot the woofer and the speaker and the tweeter so that it is going to give the optimal listening position for the desk here, since that's a smaller room, and that way the sound will be focused on the listener here. All right, guys, so we're just finishing up out here at our project. I'm going to give you an overview of what we've done here. Let me flip the camera around. So, as you can see in the den here, we've mounted a XBR 75X800H. We've got 3 RP240Ds, 1, 2, and 3 from Klipsch. We have 2, this is the DS 160 CDT from Klipsch as well for surrounds. And everything is actually wired into the closet over here. Let me zoom out. Right here. So we've got a 27U rack from Strong. This is the FS series. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. So as you can see here, we've got the this is the Wattbox faceplate here that shows the current voltage and current. We've got the modem and everything else here. These are actually charging cradles for the Control4 remotes. So we have two SR260s. So we can pop it on here and charge it. So, and we have the remotes labeled. We've got den, we have got living room, so that you can easily see. So you've got the two cradles here, which one's ready. You've got the green for red for charging, green for charged. Pull that off here. We have the Arachnus 310 router, 210 16-port switch, Control4 EA3, Roku. We have a Denon AVRX 1600H, the Control4 4-zone amp, and a UPS. On the backside, we also have the 12 outlet watt box, 700 series watt box. So we're going to lock this up here. So in this room here, and again, we worked with the contractor so we can take care of a lot of the wiring beforehand. We didn't have to come back in later and do it, save the lots. We didn't have to do surgery. Previously, there were speakers up here way up high that were in ceiling speakers, and you can just kind of see, you know, if you're sitting down here, it's just terrible placement for speakers. So we've got the remotes. We're going to hit watch, and we're going to select, see if we can make it focus here. Well, it's Roku here, so we're going to select that, and it turns on the TV, and it's turning on the receiver in the rack. So we can, of course, select anything here, go to YouTube, whatever we want to do here, and navigate to anything else here. So we can view our YouTube channel, play anything in this, or Netflix, however you want to do it, and everything works perfectly fine with that. And of course, when you're done for the day, you hit the off button up here. It turns that off. Upstairs here, we have an Arachnus 510. This is the in-wall access point here. Was an addition at some point, so we were able to have the access point here for just it's just the master bedroom upstairs. They're still moving in, but we've got everything here. This is a 65-inch XBR 65X 800H and a Sonos beam, and on the back we have a Roku Ultra. So in the study here, we've got a Arachnus 700 series access point, and we've installed two more CDT 160, or excuse me, DS 160 CDT in ceiling speakers from Klipsch. So they can enjoy music in here. Everything is controlled through the Control4 app seamlessly as well. Out here in the living room, we have, they had really old yellowed speakers, which we showed you already. We replaced them with new DS 180 CDT speakers. Mounted a Sony TV with a Roku in the back. We're actually using a audio over cat adapter so that we can get audio back to the rack in the closet where we have the audio, so they can get the TV sound through these speakers as well. In the kitchen here, we've installed the two more of the DS 160 CDTs. We've got all of the switches in here. There are Lutron Caseta switches all over the house, which we have controlled through Control4 as well. So they've got, can control everything. We've got scenes programmed where lights and everything, and the porch lights will turn on throughout the house at night, and everything else. So we've, everything is completely controlled in this house as of right now. They've got lighting, they've got audio, video. We're going to be incorporating, we will be incorporating thermostats soon. They actually have pool speakers out here, which are also in the Control4 system. And we're going to be adding in door locks and other things in future phases as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you're looking for a system like this and you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, please contact us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. You can see our phone number right here in the van, or I'll have that down below right here, as well as in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe, show your support, subscribing, giving us a big thumbs up, and hitting that bell icon, commenting really helps the algorithm, and it really helps support us as a local business. And you know, subscribe to your other favorite channels. It helps all of us. So if you're wanting a system like this, again, please contact us. We can ship most of these products nationwide. So we can, Klipsch, Sony, JVC, all these other products we can ship directly to you. Or again, if you're in the Dallas area, we can help design a system just like this. We can look forward to getting the next video up, guys. Thanks.